Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is not like a super revolutionary video or anything, not like any of my videos are, but I wanted to talk about the wipes I have purchased from Grove. At some point I'm going to do my favorite cleaning products video, but I thought I'd start out with this because I've been using a lot of these wipes, and I thought if you go into the Grove site and you're kind of curious about which ones you should get or just my opinion on them, then you know, I'm going to keep it short and sweet. So, as always, I have my referral link down below if you're interested in any of these products. If you're a new customer, you can still get 7 free products with a $20 purchase and free shipping. So be sure to check that out. I've done a lot of videos on Grove, so if you're curious, go back and I go more into detail about the referral program and all that jazz, like the free stuff that you get if you're a new customer. So, I'm just going to get right to it. My very favorite 2 wipes off the Grove site are the 7th generation multi-purpose wipes in mint, garden mint, and then the Method all-purpose lime and sea salt or pink grapefruit are my 2 favorites. I haven't tried, I think they have some other scents, but I haven't tried them. Somebody recommended the garden mint to me and I'm forgetting who it was, I'm sorry. But these ones smell great. They have enough moisture in them that you can, you know, wipe down several surfaces without having to grab a new one. And to me, that's kind of the point of a wipe. If you're going to be wiping something down, like, you know, let's get it done in 1 wipe or 2. You know, we don't need to be pulling out a bunch of wipes because that kind of defeats the purpose of being eco-friendly, I think. Those are one of my favorites. However, the Garden Mint, this brand is not disinfecting wipe. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, these next ones are the Method all-purpose lime and sea salt. And these ones smell really good. They have just enough moisture as well. They aren't, what am I trying to say? They aren't too light on the moisture part, and they're not too heavy either. They're enough to like get a countertop done. I like to use wipes just if I'm going in and I want to wipe something down really quick without having to pull out the full cleaning stuff or scrubbing or all that. Just a quick wipe. Okay. This next one are the Aunt Fannies cleaning vinegar wipes, and these are in fresh lime mint. Okay, I don't know if I got a bad bottle or what, but these are not wet enough at all. Like, they do not, I have to get them wet with a little bit of water, and so I feel like I'm kind of wasting some of the product that's on the wipes. So the good thing about these though is they are vinegar, they are antibacterial. Vinegar is a natural antibacterial. But also with these 2, you have to be able to stand the smell of vinegar. I know some people cannot stand the smell of vinegar, but to me vinegar dissipates, like it doesn't stick around for a long time. It just kind of removes odors in the air, but you can't like be a gagger if you smell vinegar because these definitely have that vinegar scent. But they do smell nice with whatever oils that they put in along with it. So, like, I wouldn't want to shower in this or anything, but it's good for cleaning. So, but once you get water on them, they work great. But yeah, they're not. And so maybe I'll try another one and see and report back. But those, like, I'll still use them, but I don't know that I would repurchase them. All right, these are the biggest ones I'm conflicted on. So these are the 7th generation disinfecting wipes, and these are the ones that kill the germs, and it's a lemongrass citrus scent. Now, these to me smell like some sort of bug spray. The scent is fierce. It is strong and it lingers for a while, and yeah, this stuff is no joke. So I'm kind of used to it though now because I've been using them for a while. I use this like on my, I use this on like the toilet seats and, you know, underneath the toilet seat, or if Bandit has an accident or something, I'll put one of these down and wipe, you know, whatever germs might be left on the floor, that kind of thing. So yeah, the only thing I have to say bad about these is just the scent. Like, they're very wet, like they're a very wet wipe. I feel like they do a great job of doing like a lot of surface area, but overall they like the scent, and the scent lingers for a while too. It's really, yeah, it's really like, it's something you have to get used to. So I wish, like, I don't see any other disinfecting wipes on Grove that are different. Maybe they have a free and clear. Like, I wish they would just do a free and clear, but I have a feeling some of the scent is some of the oils that are in here that kill the bacteria. So yeah, I feel like that's why they can't quite get the lemongrass citrus scent, because I don't smell any lemongrass or citrus at all. It's like bug spray all the way. So that's it. Those are the 4. So the 2 I would get are these 2 right in the middle. They have pink grapefruit in the Method. I think they might have, what's the other Method scent they have in these ones? I can't remember, but it's not one that I like. I like the pink grapefruit and lime and sea salt. Those are my favorites. And these garden mint smell divine. Those are probably my favorites right here. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope that was somewhat helpful. If you have any thoughts on these, or if you agree with me on some of them, I'd love to know. But yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was somewhat informative. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.